Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing eHarmony versus Match.com. So if you don't know what these two are, eHarmony is a dating platform focused on serious, long-term relationships using a detailed compatibility quiz and algorithm-based matching. While Match.com is similar on the other hand, however, it is a versatile dating site offering a broad user base with search and discovery features suitable for both casual and serious dating. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with eHarmony here. So eHarmony's pros are that it has a strong focus on compatibility and long-term matches. It has in-depth personality test and a serious user base. Now the cons of eHarmony is that it is limited in control over who you see, and it has a slower paced matching. Now let's go over to Match.com here. And the pros of Match.com is that it has a large, diverse user base. It has a manual search and filters, and it offers casual and serious options. And the cons of Match.com is that it has less focus on deep compatibility, and it has more fake or inactive profiles supported. So which one is right for you? So choose eHarmony for deep, serious connections and compatibility-based matching, and choose Match.com for more control, variety, and a mix of dating intentions. And that is it. That is the difference between eHarmony versus Match.com. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.